But
You have filed
IA petition number 2, madam,
for what?
for intervener respondent sides.
We consider on the next day, but there was some kind of direction for filing the counter affidavit. Has it been filed?
Yeah, copy has been filed.
That is filed. And supplementary affidavit has also been filed.
Yeah.
Okay. So
My IA may kindly be allowed to.
that will be considered. We consider at the time of if we feel that you are a necessary party, then the matter is different. It's a.
Because we are already working with different.
Have you sought the copy on the interim
The
application?
estate I have already.
And the land and council for the petition?
Yes, sir, my kindly order.
So have you got any?
Unless
They have sought the copy of the
Yeah.
interim application. We are adjourning this case,
Yeah.
but so far as this interim application, since he has filed the application for intervention, if you have got to anything to say on this interim application, you may file your objection.
we will see, because we have challenged the rules. We will see
Right,
whether
take down. The writ petition has been filed by the petitioners seeking for following reliefs. It is quoted in paragraph number 1. Stop. As it appears, the counter affidavits have already been filed on behalf of respondent number 6 and 7 and respondents number 3 and 4, and supplementary affidavit has also been filed on behalf of the petitioner. The land counsel for the petitioner has also filed a rejoinder, which are on record. At the outset, the land counsel for the petitioner submits that similar matter was before this court, and after its disposal, the matter was carried to the Honorable Supreme Court, and the order of this court has been confirmed and the special petition was dismissed, and the matter may be taken up on some other day to produce the copy of the order passed by the Honorable Supreme. Stop. At this stage, Mr. Sir,
Shah Nawaz Ali. MD Shah Nawaz Ali.
Okay. So submits that Mohammed Sahnawaz Ali, that he has filed an interim application, filed IA number 2 of 2025
No.
for intervention, and copy of such intervention application has already been served on the land council for the petitioners, so also the land council for the state.
No, petitioner has not been summoned, or state has been summoned. Now you have said the copy.
हमने पूछा आपको. All right, land council for the state, and he will serve the copy of the interim application on the land council for the petitioner by tomorrow. By tomorrow. The matter be placed for final disposal on such and such date. Objection, if any, to the interim application be filed. Interim application for this intervention be filed in the meantime. On the said date, the interim application shall also be considered. Date दीजिए.
next Tuesday.
Is it the date has been fixed in that case? No, it's all right. Is it coming for the first time you are mentioning, or it was earlier listed?
First time.
First time तो मेमो दे दीजिए, वो आएगा. अब मेंशन करके टाइम क्या? You are aware that similar case is there, so,
Similar.
तो इसको डाल दीजिए, डेट कर दो, पोस्टिंग कर दीजिए वही डेट, तो ऑटोमेटिक आ जाएगी। और उसको विथ भी लिख दीजिए, विथ कर दीजिए, वो आ जाएगा।
हो गया, जल्द हो गया।
हाँ, next.
What has been stated that similar matter was disposed of by this court.
Your Lordships, that is not similar. That was B Pharma, M Pharma. And the Supreme Court considered whether M Pharma, B Pharma is a inline curriculum of diploma or not. And then the distinction was drawn that diploma has different curriculum and B Pharma has different curriculum, and therefore it is not inline. And hence, it was held that employer has a prerogative to prescribe eligibility, and therefore B Pharma was held not eligible.
So here also, we are also saying the same thing,
No.
that we are certificate, we are diploma, we are certificate in GNM, and BSc nursing is not in the same hierarchy. Therefore, they can't be equated.
Because its readings are complete. Only the thing is that somebody has filed some application for intervention. Otherwise, let us see that.
Intervention to
Date दे दीजिए ना.
Just.
Yes.
Serial number 13, Ashok Kumar Singh versus the State of Bihar and others versus Vijay Kumar.
Lord, I'm permitted to withdraw this writ application because some of the provision have already been held. With liberty, my lord, to file a fresh writ application with further prayer.
The grand counselor appearing. for-
तेरा तो टाइम हो गया। हाँ, अभी कौन सा कॉल किया? तेरा ही तो टाइम हुआ था, टाइम को ही ले लिया।
नहीं, 12.
अच्छा, 12।
माना भी उसके पहले ना,
तेरा कितना है?
तेरा में टाइम नहीं, तेरा तो टीचर वाला है जो अपने जॉब कर रहा है।
लिबर्टी दीजिएगा तो हमको देखना पड़ेगा ना कि आपको लिबर्टी मिलना चाहिए।
लिबर्टी टू फाइल ए फ्रेश,
काहे के लिए?
हम क्या फाइल करेंगे उस अप्रोच कीजिएगा।
Why should you be given liberty?
No,
You are free. No, liberty has certain meaning.
No, liberty, my lord, if I withdraw it without seeking liberty,
No, that-
then tomorrow that the plea of res judicata and other will be applicable. Otherwise, if that be so, then I will, my lords, argue the matter, let it be on 10th. I will argue the matter how because on the last occasion, the objection was raised that since some of the provision has already been held to be intra-virus in another writ application, therefore this writ application is not maintainable only because some other provisions are also added. I do agree, but what I am trying to emphasize, my lord, is just I am giving a bird's eye view of the matter. My lord, say way back in 2020.
Sir, if we correctly understood you,
Yeah.
you are now intending to file another
Writ petition.
omitting those rules which have
Yes,
been held
yes,
to be constitutionally
yes.
valid.
And my lords, I am further saying that in fact, this rule, there is already another rule. This rule has not, my lords, repeal the previous rules, and both the rules are there. So when we were appointed, our rules are already there. Therefore, for the same purpose, there can't be two parallel rules. Secondly, when this rule was made way back in 2021, this rule was challenged before
Sir,
this.
can you tell us that the number of the writ petition where it has been held that some of the provisions
My
which were-
lordship, that I have annexed in my counter. CWC
6.
3 of 24, counter affidavit, annexure R by 6,
are by 6
A, R by 6A,
Acha, that is civil writ jurisdiction number 6683 of 2024.
24.
They are, which rules have been held to be
Rule, my
intra-virus?
lordship,
3,
3,
2, 3,
3 and 3 of this Bihar Elementary
Bihar Elementary School Headmaster / Teacher Rules.
Headmaster, teacher, rules 2024. So apart from these two rules, which you have challenged, sir, in
Lord,
the writ petition?
Yeah, what on, in fact, my lord, this read petition, as I said, in fact, my lords, there are various provisions, some hodgepodge are also there. That's why I said I wish to be do. Now, what has happened, Lord, there are two types of school. Primary school, that is from
He has
class.
challenged the same rules.
Same rule, sir.
Yes, I'm saying, that's why I say.
He is
One-
challenged the same
No,
rules. 3, 2,
apart
3,
from that,
3.
apart from that, there are others. Now, there is a primary school.
There is no
Yes,
other challenge, my lordship.
Let us be clear. What the London Advocate General submitting, that if these very rules were challenged to be constitutionally valid and it has already been decided, then again, where is the scope of entertaining this writ petition to challenge the same rule?
No, I'm, my lords, therefore I say I am withdrawing this writ
The
application.
London Advocate General has no objection,
But-
but you say that to just modify it and to take the liberty.
Liberty to file a fresh writ application, not challenging 3-2 or 3-3. Rather,
Then there is no problem if you file a fresh writ application where these two rules are not in question. There is no question of taking liberty of us. That is what he is pointing out.
no, if that be so, otherwise we not tomorrow, because there
London
are.
Advocate
laws
General,
that-
if he challenges.
My lordship, if he challenges other rules, I can't have any objection.
Yeah.
Please, exactly. All right, take down. The London Council, अच्छा इसको थोड़ा लिख देने से clarity आ जाएगा. The
The
petitioner.
judgment will bind only to the extent it has decided.
The Ashok Kumar Singh, the petitioner, has filed this writ petition challenging the to declare inter alia Rule 3.2 and 3.3 of Bihar Parambhik Vidyalaya Pradhan Shikshak ब्रैकेट में लिख दीजिए बिहार एलिमेंटरी स्कूल हिंदी टीचर रूल 2024
Head teacher,
सर
head teacher.
बिहार एलिमेंटरी स्कूल हेड टीचर रूल 2024 as published in the White notification number so and so dated so and so to be declared as illegal, arbitrary, unconstitutional, and in confluence with the rule public law made by the respondents themselves. Stop. At this juncture, London Advocate General placed the decision, the judgment dated 13/2/2025 of a division bench of this court in civil writ jurisdiction case number 6683 of 2024, where the very two rules were under challenge on the ground that it is arbitrary and unconstitutional, and this court has been pleased to hold that has been pleased to dismiss the writ petition. The Land Council for the petitioner seeks permission to withdraw the writ petition and to challenge some other provision.
Lords, beg your pardon for inter. Lords, in this writ also, we have challenged the other rules also. Therefore, I say it's
Acha,
really a hodgepodge.
the Land and Council, अच्छा inter alia लिखा है ना पहला paragraph, inter alia लिखा है sir. The Land and Council for the petitioner submits that since the other rules are also under challenge in this writ petition, and only in the aforesaid judgment dated 13/2/2025, decision has been taken in respect of Rule 3.2 and 3.3 of 2024 rules. He may be permitted to withdraw this writ petition to with liberty to file a fresh writ petition seeking to challenge the other rules which are also under challenge in this writ petition. Accordingly, the writ petition is disposed of as withdrawn, giving liberty to the petitioner as prayed for. The writ petition disposed of. Yes, next.
Serial number 14, Vaibhav Ranjan versus the Union of India and others.
This may be taken up next week, my lord.
Who is the counsel for the?
He is the counsel. May be taken up next.
The
Tuesday.
Land and Advocate General makes a request to adjourn the matter next week. The Land Council for the petitioner is present. No objection, raise this matter next week. Yes.
Serial
Union
number
of India is also present.
15, Dayanand Prasad Shah and others versus the state of Bihar and others for petitioner Mr. Rao
So
sir.
this is to come with that 14.1. There are two matters. This is, yes. Item number 15.
May your lordship be pleased, ma'am.